The 2016 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, fog lights, power brakes, clock, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.